Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and one of the things we're starting to see on a regular basis is questions about air filters. Now then, Steve had recently had a customer complain he'd been sent the wrong air filter for his Mark III electric start Commando. Steve had actually sent the correct air filter, it's just that the customer didn't realise that he's supposed to have the black air box. The black air box was fitted on some of the late 850 models, the Mark IIA and the Mark III. It is the standard air box that you will find on these bikes, and it takes this green filter. However, what some people do is they actually change the air filter box, did away with it. A lot of these were junked back in the 80s and the 90s when people wanted to put a single carb on. Thing is, back then you could pick one up second hand for a few bob. Now they're about $300 to $400 a piece. They're not cheap to replace now. The other air filter is the element type that you'd find in a car. Strangely enough, this is how they come. It is round. However, we still get people ringing up saying you've sent me the wrong air filter because it's not the shape of the air filter can. It will actually fit when you put it in the ham can style air filter. If you've got any questions or you're not sure on what Norton you've bought or what air filter you have fitted, feel free to give me and Simon a ring and we will sort the matter out for you so you order the correct part for your air filter that you have fitted. Thanks very much.